Hey guys, welcome back to the Windswept Cowboy. I am slowly but surely cleaning up all of my Christmas, but I want to transform my dining room into New Year's Eve because really that is what's next and it'll be here so quickly. I really don't want to have to be rushing around that day trying to set stuff up, so we're going to do it today. And it may inspire you to do a few little New Year's Eve touches around your house too. I'm working with fairly a blank slate. I still have a few things out that I always keep out, and there are going to be a couple of really easy DIYs to add to it. So let me show you what I'm working with. Here are the things that I'm working with. Most of this is actually Christmas decor that I had out, I just saved, and it kind of has a theme going on. We're doing black and white and silver and gold. And I have some ornaments, candlesticks, some picks that were in my tree, serving dishes, fairy lights, and regular dishes, and of course a 2021 banner I picked up at Target. Here is my dining room, and I have a black tablecloth that I'm going to be putting down on my table. But yeah, here's my blank slate. So let's just get started.
When we wake, hear the birds and see the sun. Side by side our fears are done. Oh, the good times just begun. Oh, we know what we have, let's hold on tight. Found what we're looking for in life. Call us crazy, but things are finally right. With you and I, the future is bright. Sleep, hear the crickets, see the moon, side by side and through. No limit to what we can do. Oh, we know what we have, let's hold on tight. Found what we're looking for in life. Call us crazy, but things are finally right. With you and I, the future is bright. Oh, you and I, we got it. Oh, we don't need no more. Oh, even in the hard times, you and I can weather any storm. Leave everything for me. Stay the night. Oh, miss your flight. Walk through the rain with me. Get soaked to the skin, feel free. Shut the world out. Let's hang out. Oh, I used to see in colors, now it's gray. Till I met you at the concert the other day. The whole room lit up with warm, sunny rays.
Alright, the next thing we're going to work on, we're going to zhuzh up our little wine glasses, add some bling, and a little faux sparkler. Alright, we're going to make these faux sparklers first. I am just using these bamboo skewers. I think I got these at Hobby Lobby, came in a big pack. And then I'm using some of this silver tinsel. Just going to cut about 2 inches or so off of the tinsel. Put some hot glue on the end of our skewer. And then just roll this on. Just add a little hot glue at the end for your tip. And there's our faux little sparkler. Okay, the next thing we're going to do is add a little bit of bling to our cup. And I have this peel-in stick, I guess like little faux rhinestones. It just peels right off of the plastic backing like that. But I'm just going to cut one of these little strips off and then just stick it to the side of my wine glass.
Tonight will turn minutes into days. Gonna make me look away. Lover or friend, real or pretend, however we end. Will turn minutes into days.
The last thing we're going to work on are these little flags that we're going to attach to the stem. And you can personalize them, or you can have your guests write their name or their initials, and that way they know which glass is theirs for the evening. I found my ribbon at Hobby Lobby a few months ago, actually. It was very early on in the Christmas season, and I knew I wanted to use it for New Year's. So I am just cutting about 5.5 inches for each strip, and I'm going to use one as the measurement here. It doesn't have to be exact at all. So I'm going to cut, let's see, 3 more. So we're just going to fold our piece of ribbon in half, lining up the edges, like so, and then we're going to fold them again lengthwise. So you want all of your wired edges to be on one side, and then we're just going to fishtail, just like that. All right, I've got a few more to do. Alright, the next step is to take your piece of ribbon and put it around the stem of your glass, and then you can just run a bead of hot glue along the top and the bottom and then push them together so they line up just like that. My tableware, I did not have enough of the same thing, so I kind of did a mix and a match, and did like the gold and silver and white. And I had these clear plates, and all I did was lay down a gold Dollar Tree charger. I printed off some of these clocks, cut them out, and then just stuck them down there, and then they show through the glass plate. I think that's pretty cool. Then I just layered it with a napkin and a placemat, and things are starting to take shape. Look how pretty. Oh my goodness. All right guys, that's gonna do it for today's video, but don't click off yet. I'm gonna take you down and give you a closer look at how everything turned out. I think it is so festive and sparkly, and that's what New Year's is, right? When you think about that. I did not purchase a lot of stuff. As you saw, I DIY'd my champagne glasses. All of that will peel off, or you can cut the ribbon off of the stem, and then you're back to normal again. Also, a lot of the decor was from Christmas, so I reused that, and then it'll all get packed away here in another week or so. Please give this video a thumbs up, and also hit that subscribe button if you haven't already. We are back to our normal Tuesday and Friday schedule. You go and have a great day, and I'll see you Friday. Bye.
There's a new day that will come again tomorrow. There's a new day to wash away the pain. There's a new day to take away your sorrow. And the old ways get washed out by the rain. Darling, you've got to keep holding on through the night, 'cause I promise you this: if you try to get some sleep, if you give up the fight, if only just for a bit, there's a new day to leave behind your troubles. There's a new day, and it will set you free. There's a new day to get you through your struggles. I will always think of you and me. Darling, you've got to keep holding on through the night, 'cause I promise you this: if you try to get some sleep, if you give up the fight, if only just for a bit, there's a new day, it is waiting.